Do you want to stop syncing Instagram and Facebook profile picture? You can turn off syncing Instagram and Facebook profile info with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To stop syncing your Instagram and Facebook profile pictures, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner of the profile screen. A new screen will appear with different settings options. At the top of the screen, find and select Accounts Center. From the Instagram Accounts Center screen, tap on Profiles. Here, you will see different connected profiles. Select the one from which you want to stop syncing your Instagram and Facebook profile pictures. You'll see both Facebook and Instagram profiles that are connected and currently syncing. Select either Instagram or Facebook from here. On the new screen, turn off the toggle switch button next to Sync Profile Info. Finally, from the pop-up confirmation, tap on Stop Syncing. Once you turn off profile picture syncing, any future changes to your Instagram or Facebook profile picture will need to be updated manually on each platform.